Hi, I'm Mohammad Sami, and this is our group Monday 21. Our project was Firefly Flashing Synchronization Studies.
Hi, I am Shivam Pawar.
Hi, I'm Sumant.
Hi, I'm Yashwant.
And this is Lokesh.
Okay, so our project was to make a programmable Firefly system using STM microcontroller and using IR communication. So why we have used IR is because your visible LEDs have effect from ambient light. That's why we have used IR LEDs. So these do not have effect from ambient lighting. So I'll explain you what this board has. This is my STM chipset. This is my IR LED. This is my photo transistor, and this is my visible LED. Visible LED is just so that we can see, because you cannot see IR flashes. So now I'll show you how the algorithm works. So let's suppose each Firefly board has a counter which increments from 1 to 2000, and when it reaches 1000 it flashes. So now assume this one was at 600 when it detects this Firefly board's flash. So what we'll do, you have an offset of 400 and we need to make this offset to 0. So I'll increment my counter by offset by 10 amount. So if this was at 600, my counter will go to 640. So this way my offset had reduced from 400 to 360. In next cycle, this will reduce by more amount. So after 30 or 40 iterations, my offset will eventually go to 0. So I'll show you the code of this. So here, as you can see, we gave value of 300 to one of this, to one counter, and 600 to other counter, and 270 was my offset, and then after 50 iterations it went to 0. So now let's see the final working demo of our Firefly board. So now I'll randomize this. I'll press any reset buttons. Now they are all flashing randomly. Now you will see they'll detect each other's flashes and then come into sync. Now as you can see, they are almost in sync. Now they are in complete sync. So its use cases, it can be used for study of coupled system. It will be used by professors or research students to implement their algorithms. They can test out their algorithms on the system. Thank you.